Ka Sorkar jela kelala un Pyndep hakabai de baka jingpynkynriah iki nongshong di madan syakamala ka baningkong joko MUDA Parking Lot kendai lat Shillong. Habapun bena yakani hak arpesau trik naitung unong aiktin ka Sorkar MDA bat Menteri Sorkar ubak Polingdo ulaong da ka jingatri lang bat keyboard district bat katanan urban lala un Pyndep halur ka jingpynkynriah ya barok nongshong di madan kebalayo jing ithu syakamala ka baningkong joko MUDA Parking Lot hakendai lat. Da ka basyim baka di kasngi ka bansa kenmau na ka benta ka Sorkar ubak pol ulaong. Kalong da shisha kasngi sa jingken mau na ka benta ka Sorkar Meghalaya na markumba Pyndep bha bangila kami benya bha ya ka kam kabayade baka jingpynkynriah ekinong di madan nakathan kendailan. Kalashim kambun kapuar ban ya ka bangila perkan Henry baro kila yait be yait renti bat ngidap da ka jingkmen ban yo iya ka dur ka batumai baka jingpen internet ya ka than kendailan lingba ka ni ka sinjam ban Pyndep ekinong di madan ula benram. Ula Pyndep ru baha ka jingkmi benia ban ithu ekinong di ke badai hok kila don kat saus pa ngut kinong di madan balaya shimbenta. Na kini haga jing bishar benia la syam ba saus pa nyongut kidei ke badai hok ban yo ek certificates of vending ha ka balai spa khat wengut kila dep ban syam ya ki certificate. Ya ka jing a ja ka syong la le da ka lenti ka bakut syai lingba ka jing pen khalai nusip ban pentikna ba baro kinong di ke balayo jing ithu tinyo yala ka jong ka kabu. Menta ban penbiang na ka benta ka ni ka jingpynkynriah lasnai ki laispa nrupusan tali ki jaka syong di ha ka ba arspa prap artali ladap ban IT bat ya ki balas dang pentrika menta ban di ki jing di jongki lingba ka jingpen khalai nusip ulo ong da ka ba benram kani ka jingpen khalai nusip ka long bit thik tang ya ki tu ka balayo jing ithu bat ka long bit thik tang na ka benta ban ai jaka nang ban omdan mano ki bala ban ong baka don ka jing sha liang ha ka rukam ai ki ni jaka syong di jing di lai ki long ki badan syakmat ni shadien baro kila yo ya ka ju kalat ka kabu ban yo ya ka jaka lingba ka jingpan khalai nusip haba keli uba pol ula ong ngin sa benta hi kam jongi ha ka lenti ka badai ha ka bangi bu hakmat ya ka jaka ka bakong san. Kumta hakani ka scheme ka jongi ka thong ka ba hakmat kalong ka jingpynkynriah ka bang lala ban Pyndep ha ka denti ka ba seiso bat benrap balala ban pen urlong ya kani da ka jingkershan bat ka jingatri lang jong baro kinong di madan. Ha ka ba ningkong kaladon ka jingale persya wat halur ka jingtmu ba Pyndep phila ban yo i ya ka jingeng lan jong kinong di madan ban yo i ki jaka di jingdi kumta ka di ka jingkala ka ba khrau nakabaong syakabaong nga de banyo ningkong ulaong. Nalor kani umintri ulaong baka Sorkar jela kala rairu ya ka jingkershan pisa ka batang shisin kabalong shipo jartingka nalor ka jingsiu ka bamanla ubnai kabalong ara jartingka nakabenta san benai kinthi kenang ban kli ya ka bai do nong hakakam khai pateng. Ula pentik na ru baya baru ke jingdon kam on sa penbiang nakabenta kini kinong di madan kibla syap Pyndep.
Historic day for us in the government of Meghalaya. As you are aware, we have been very closely following up the matter relating to the relocation of hawkers and vendors at Kandailat stretch. And it has taken more time than we thought it would. But then all is well that ends well, and you would for yourself be happy to see a brand fresh look and a facelift given to Kandailat through this process of relocation of vendors. So briefly, I just want to share with you that the entire exercise has taken the state government over close to 2 years, where a comprehensive survey was conducted, and it included 1,400 street vendors who were part of this survey. And in the first phase, we prioritized Kandailat since it is the most important, the busiest commercial area of the state capital. And we also had in this exercise found that there were 407 who were deemed to be eligible to receive the COV, that is the certificate of vending. So, to clear some misconceptions and doubts, under this COV, we laid down certain parameters. These include proof of residence of Meghalaya, whoever has stayed in the state for a continuous number of 3 years prior to the survey were considered, and two, also proof that they have been engaged in vending activities in the same area for at least 6 months before the survey. 6 months before the survey, they should have been vending in that area. And that is the same yardstick that we will apply to other areas in the state where vending is currently happening. Now, out of these numbers of 407 vendors, we found 311 who have successfully collected their COV. And in tandem with the district administration, the Urban Affairs Department completed the location of all these eligible vendors in the first floor of the MUDA Parking Lot at Kyndryah. Now, to facilitate the relocation, 365 vending stalls were constructed. 365, out of which, as of date, 282 have been allotted, and these have now occupied the various stalls through a transparent draw of lots. The draw of lots was confined to only the certified vendors, and the draw of lots was meant to give them so that nobody could say that anybody was favored with a space which is at the front or on the back, but everyone was given the right, with the equal opportunity of being able to be allotted a space through this draw of lots. As a government, that the legitimate body of hawkers, the Roadside Hawkers Association, have come forward to support this noble venture of the state government, which took care of two things. One is to ensure that Shillong continues to be safe for all road users, minimize congestion, minimize the possibility of crimes, and two, also to sustain the livelihood of these hundreds of these vendors who have now been given a space which I'm sure you all have gone to the site and you know the condition of the space allotted to them. That apart, the state government has also provided a relocation allowance to all vendors holding these COVs, whereby each vendor will get one-time payment of rupees 10,000 rupees and a monthly allowance of 2,000 rupees per month for the next 5 months in order to mitigate any possibility of a slump in business owing to this change of site. So that buffer period of 5 months will also help them to, while rebuilding their contact with their customers, so that they'll not be suffering economic losses. We have not received any such report of COVs being snatched away. But if you look at the figures, we still have a few stalls left. And we will ensure that everyone gets equal treatment and in sync with the principle that the rule of law should prevail.
Other problems are the amenities in the MUDA complex. No water, toilet, and go down. So these are
No, no.
lacked.
As we have said, all facilities will be provided. Now, the most immediate need for these hawkers is to give them a chance to continue hawking at a space which government would provide for them, which is far better than the current place they were occupying till yesterday, which is prone to various risks, including not just the hawkers but other users of that stretch of the road. There is no confusion. The number of hawkers deemed eligible is 407. Those who came forward to participate were 311, out of which uh, 282 have been allotted because they participated in the actual lottery determining the space, the stall number they would occupy.